Hey guys, I got some bedhead going on. I was up most of the night with my sick son, but here we are doing an unboxing. Actually, I've got a lot of stuff to unbox. Finally got Sheba out of the basement, so we're ready. So the first thing I'm excited about is this. This is the Hogdoggins micarta G10, I think, slider. So somebody commented or messaged me and said that I should check out this, and I was like, I didn't even know this shit existed. I mean, I've heard Hogdoggins. I guess they're primarily knives. And I went on there and there was like only 2 colors left, which is a little bit disappointing because I really wanted like the natural G10, which is like a greenish, looks like jade. That would have been amazing, but it was sold out. The only colors that were left were like this. It was like almost like a skin color and red, and I was like, oh. But then there was black and orange, and I was like, all right. And it was on sale. I think it was $45. So hopefully I didn't overpay for this. But dude who commented said that this was really good. So I was like, all right. So let's see. Sheba. All right, let's take a look here. Dark Pines. Check out our other products. Dark Pines USA. Other products? I wonder what these are. All right. Hogdoggins. I've heard of Hogdoggins. I guess that was like the collaboration stuff I always see to do good. And there's always like a pig on there. So this comes with instructions, which is interesting. What does it say here? Don't swallow. It has electrical conductivity. You can get contusions from magnets if you have a pacemaker. Metal splinters. What to do in a magnetic field. All right, so these got to be some strong ass magnets. Feels pretty heavy. Sheba. I feel like I'm cheating on Sheba if I ever do an unboxing without her these days. Okay, here she is. Don't worry, I'm gonna turn the camera around so you guys can get a better look at this. Look, Sheba. She's happy. I've already fed her today and she's still kind of, you know, focused. I think it's because I haven't seen her in a couple days. She's been hiding out. All right, so this is actually a nice size, nice heftiness weight for a non-metal slider. So let's take a look. So there looks like there's only 3 magnets. Oh, it's very smooth. I guess this is the G10 and this is the micarta. I like the grippiness. It kind of reminds me, it's got the little pyramids almost like the Magnus Toad. Magnets are super strong. The only weird thing is like the magnet configuration. Is it already scratching? Maybe. See it? Unfortunately, I can't ladder because there's only middle magnets, but it's pretty interesting. Slides around pretty easy. It's interesting. Ow. You gotta scratch her back sometimes. Keep her focused. All right, let me turn the camera around so you guys can get a better look. Okay, is that a better look? Okay. Alright, let's take a look here. So, there she is. Interesting. Let me see if I could zoom in a little bit. Whoa. I want you guys to see all the little rivets in there. So this is what the inside looks. Very smooth. But you can see the scratches already. And it's only center magnets. So you can go up and down. You cannot go right or left. So you just turn it, or you could turn it this way. You need to spend some time with it. I mean, it's okay, but I'm not that much impressed with it based on what I paid for it. I guess I'm just not used to the magnets, just 3 center magnets. I mean, they are very strong, which is good. I just want a ladder so bad. But this is not a ladder kind of thing, but I could do some other cool moves. All right, well, I don't know. It's okay. It's all right. I mean, there's glue and shit on there. The texture is not the greatest because it kind of feels like coarse, not finished, not smooth. This is very, very abrasive. The plates are scratching already. The magnet's very nice, but you can't ladder, so it limits the moves you can do. This is pretty cool. I think that, I mean, I know that the materials are worth something, you know, G10 and then micarta, but like, you can't even really even see the micarta. It would have been cool if it was like along the sides as well. So it's just micarta slide plates. I mean, they work because it's smooth, but I don't think it's worth 45 bucks. Sheba, what do you think? Sheba's like, I love all fidgets. I don't even care. Oh, look, we've got a guest star today. What? What do you think of this? See, there's something special about Sheba. Alright guys, well this is the Hogdoggins G10 micarta slider. And it was like, I think originally like 65 bucks, dude. I wouldn't recommend it, sorry. Alright, well, thank you for watching.